I'm Mike Gooder, president of Plantpeddler. I do a lot of things around here, but mostly I'm the big boss. So Plantpeddler was founded in 1980 with my wife, Rachel, and myself. At that time, we were a mom and pop florist in a small town in northeast Iowa called Cresco. In 1984, we went into the wholesale business. That's when we started our relationship with BioTherm on our first build of ball project, Campbell O'Brien greenhouses with BioTherm bench heat. Through the years, we evolved from a finished plant wholesale producer to a wholesale producer with a young plant division. Now we're primarily dominated by young plant production for the industry, shipping to all states and Canada, importing from about 20 countries.
Hi, I'm John Gooder, the Chief Operations Officer here at Plantpeddler in Cresco, Iowa. So our relationship with BioTherm started before I was born. My folks, when they started the greenhouse, started working with BioTherm, and I inherited that when I came back in the family business. So since I was a little kid and up to this point now, we are still, partners with BioTherm. So it's worked out well for us.
The question is, what problems has BioTherm helped Plantpeddler solve? I think the important one there is it's not about one problem. It's about the continual evolution of solving the problem.
BioTherm has been a big staple and a big piece to us being able to still produce plants year-round. They keep us warm, and if we didn't have them, we'd be in a really tough spot. So,
as we wanted to grow Plantpeddler, BioTherm has worked with us to figure out ways to be innovative, to grow, to be very accurate in how we heat, irrigate, whatever faction of they've worked on within the company. The real dynamic is not that we fix one problem. Over the years, we've fixed hundreds of problems. In that, we've changed a lot of the way we think about greenhouse heating, control, and environment.
In the 22 years that I've been working here at Plantpeddler, I've worked with pretty much every aspect of the BioTherm tools that we have here. The boilers, the overbench, underbench fin heating, the HDX tubing and the floor heat. And I've worked with not only do I am the facility manager, but I also do many of the growing decisions here at Plantpeddler, so it gives me a ton of tools to use with monitoring temperatures at root zone, at plant canopy, in the in-floor heat, places where we grow plants on the floor. In the facility that I'm standing in right now, we have both underbench heat and top bench heat. It allows me, there's enough heating BTU potential and capacity in each system to run the entire zone independently. So I'm able to monitor back and forth between lower bench or under bench heat. If I want to have a warmer root zone, I want to maybe push the plants but yet have a cooler plant canopy. So I use it especially in the young plant production, I use it as a toning tool for keeping, a lot of times to keep plants more compact by not having as much top heat. I also use it as a stretching tool to keep plants, to give plants more vigor.
As a longtime customer of BioTherm, the experience as a producer, the relationships that we've built within the company, the support that we've had through the years has been incredible. It's been dynamic. They're always out there for us. Every time we think about a project, they're the first guys who get engaged in the process.
Working with BioTherm is pretty crazy. Growing up in a family business, you kind of, connect with other family businesses, and that's the feeling we get with BioTherm. When they pick up the phone, when they answer questions, they treat you like you're the most important customer you've ever had, and that's important. Us being in Iowa and them in California, you think there'd be a little bit of separation there, and we don't feel like that. So it's been very important to us as we continue to grow and as we continue to work with BioTherm that they treat us like family. I would recommend for anybody to work with BioTherm. Customer service is great, the products are awesome, and they're always there to help us.
A lot of builds, a lot of years, and a lot of BioTherm.